Hey everyone, welcome back to Desi with Mohan. Today we are starting one of the most important topic of data structure, arrays. This is the first video of array playlist in which I will explain all the basic concept of arrays with real life example and interview logic. So let's get started. Before you start the DSA, make sure you already have the knowledge about at least one programming language. Why? Because DSA is not about logic. Here you are actually writing the code in the form of loop, function and arrays. So whether it's Java, C++, Python, doesn't matter. So what is array? Array is a linear type data structure in which all the elements stored in a contiguous memory location and all are same data type. Like we can say that if you want to access the 2th element, then just write AR2, you find the value of 2th index, which is 30. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You can clearly see here. Okay, I am discussing about the real life example. Like if you want to create an app, the app related to, and in this you want to store score of all cricket players. You can write it manually, okay, or in the form of contiguous memory by the using of array. So by the using of array, you have to create an array and store the data which you want. Store the data of every player. Data in the form of score. Score is the data and score is 21, 54, 65, 2, 11, 24, 9, 0, 12, 54. So we can clearly see here if you want to access 0th player, like 0th player is 21. If you want to access the score of last player, then you can directly write ARR 10, which is 4. So by the use of array, the access is easy. Okay, the 0th player of the team scores 21 runs. We can directly access. Here is one more example, like in a music app, your favorite songs are stored in a list, which is basically an array. So we can say that array is present everywhere. Okay. So now I am discussing about properties like array. These are all the properties of array which I will cover and discuss with you. So first of all, the first property of the array must be array is a fixed size. Array is a fixed size data structure. So we can store 5 elements in the array. Array is not having a dynamically memory allocation. If you want to create a dynamic array, then you use array list, which I will explain in further videos. Okay. Second property is same data type. All element must be one type, like integer, string, double, float. All the elements of the array, like here we create a here we create an array of integer data type 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you want to create an array of string data type, then the scenario will be changed. The scenario will be looking like Ram, Shyam, Aryan, Hers, and Anuj. These are the example of string array. Okay. The third one is indexing start from 0. The array is starting from the 0th index. Yes, in Java. In Java, C++, in many languages, it will start from the 0th index. Okay. The fourth one, which is very important, the random access, which we discussed before. Like if you want to access the 5th element, we just write AR4. AR4, AR4, which is what is the element of AR4? error 4 is equal to 50. This is simply we can say that by the using of random access we can or access element in the order of one time. Okay, now talking about advantage of array. There are few advantages of arrays and disadvantages of arrays. Firstly, I will explain you the advantages of array. Array is very easy to use, and the second one, fast access, as we discussed before. Okay, better memory locality. And the disadvantage of array. Array is fixed size. We cannot create dynamically. Okay, cannot grow dynamically. Okay, so this is the most important disadvantage of array. I will explain in the further videos. Okay, insertion and deletion equal to slow order of n. If you want to insert an element, then if you want to store an element in the array, then it will take order of n time. From the next video we will start solving the most important and most asked array question like prefixum, sliding window, bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort, searching, linear search, binary search, reverse the array, maximum subarray by using cadence algorithm. Cadence algorithm is very most important technique in the by the using of subarray sum, subarray multiplication. Okay, subarray problem करेंगे हम लोग and by the using two pointer, sliding window and many more. So thanks for watching. Really want to interested for the video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Click on the notification bell so you don't miss any video. Thank you.